everybody, welcome to Crafter's Story. Thank you so much for dropping by. I really appreciate it. I appreciate your time and that you come and spend these few minutes with me. I make journals. I think most people that watch my videos, you would know that, of course. But I wanted to make a gift box as well for a journal. So this is a combo. This is a gift box and a journal inside this box. And so it's the first box I have ever covered like this with the faux leather. It has its own ribbon closure, and I've given it some support, especially on the feet. Oh, sorry, was off camera there. So each of the floor corners will have some reinforcement at the bottom. So all the way around is that's the bottom, and then the top with this beautiful, this color is just gets me every time. It's just such a beautiful color. And then when you open the ribbon closure, I have another, let me bring it forward a little bit. I have another embellishment on the flap of the lid. So there's that. And then when you open it, I have covered the inside with, let me again just move it a little bit. I've covered the inside with this gorgeous floral pink rose fabric. And then there is the trim on the side. Maybe it's better if I move it this way. I'm a little close, but there is the inside. And our book right here. I think I'm going to see if I can move us just a little up, because I feel like I'm a little close there. That feels a little better. Okay, and so inside is our book, and take it out, and it mirrors some of the design of the gift box with the trim and with the color of the flower embellishment. So there's the rest of the inside of the box, just like that. So I'm going to set that aside for a second, because then I can show you the journal. Okay, so the journal has a button closure, which is going with a elastic band, and that's going to allow for quite a bit of, oh sorry, I'm not closing this properly, am I? That's going to allow for quite a lot of expansion as you fill this journal with all your memorabilia and your memories, right? And so let us start. I want to make sure that I've got everything in focus here. I used some pattern paper, dressmaking pattern paper, to make this oversized envelope, and then I've got some writing paper on the inside there, so lots of storage, some eco-dyed paper, lots of little pockets, some of my doodle art, and some open space. I decided in this journal to leave some open space, because I just felt like, you know, what if you want to do some doodling? Or so there is that. So lots of writing space. I have these this one, oh no, I glued this one. So some writing space, and then a belly band so that you can put something in yourself. Lots of little envelopes, which is actually on top of a belly band. I've got this pretty little postcard, a side pocket, writing space, another little pocket, and some coloring in paper. Lots of writing space. I mirrored some of that faux flowers, more of little inserts and pockets, lots of eco dye paper, more little pockets, and extra flip outs for you to write and doodle on. This is a vintage postcard that I picked up at a vintage store. I've left it in its protective plastic covering, so that is a gift to you as well in your journal. Lots of little pocket space. Some of you who have been watching my videos may start recognizing some of the crafts that we've done on the videos. This is a nice sort of burlap belly band, pretty little ticket belly, and this is some of my artwork, but it's a print. More of that diamond shape type. I did a video on that once, diamond shape type art journaling. Here is some of the eco dye paper that's also available on Etsy if you want to go and have a look, but these make great pockets, so put those in there. Lots and lots, some of my collage work, but it's a print, and some pretty tassels. This makes me think of a kite. Just tons. I left the gusset empty, I thought, because it's going to allow for space for expanding as you add your own goodies. And my mom crocheted this for me, and I just love it, and I think it looks so nice on this page. This was a gift from a friend, Gina. You might recognize this. What am I doing? Oh, what? Oh, there we go. That is just a cute little hanger, and it's got some writing laundry and some more pocket space, more goodies. Again, Gina, you might recognize some of your gifts to me. This paper here is rusted watercolor paper, and I found that it just is so beautiful. I'll have to explain this on a video one day, but I've just really love how vibrant the oranges and the burnt oranges are. So it's a whole page of extra writing space, some more eco dye paper, another one of those pockets we made on a video. Lots and lots of writing space. These little places where you unexpected little writing spots like that. I think this is another one just there. More pockets, the little book for you to write in, another little book, sort of these little books within a book, and some lovely pull-out journaling cards. More of my art, but it's a print, and it's a journaling card. Just some lovely sentiments to look up on. I remember doing this on a video, and this one as well. So lots and lots of little bits and pieces that I've done in videos over time. Altered, and I've left some spaces open because I just felt like this is for you to put your favorites into. Another little book, another little book, lots of little books, and then another pocket with a little journaling card in it. And that is it, and we get to the end. And as you can see, I've left, there's quite a bit of pull on here, so you're going to be able to stuff this. I almost overstuffed it myself and didn't. I get a bit carried away, but I really hope that you enjoyed this video where I am presenting my first book and box book with its own gift box, yes. Oh, why am I struggling? There we go. It is in. And there you go. All right. Well, thank you so much for sticking around to the end with me and going through this flip through. I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.